Today's question is, does an authorized user count toward the 524 Chase rule? Now that rule states that if you've opened 5 or new cards of any type with some business cards excluded in that, that Chase will not approve you for any of their cards. So the question is, does being an authorized user on someone else's card count toward that 5? And unfortunately, the answer is yes. So you really want to think twice before you're made an authorized user on someone else's card. If you could just use their card to make purchases instead, then don't make yourself an authorized user. If you really need to have a physical card in hand and you don't have your own version of that card, then it makes sense to have you be added as an authorized user. But it's really smarter for you to get your own version of that card. That said, being an authorized user on someone else's card doesn't preclude you from getting your own version of that card. So you actually could be an authorized user and have your own version. But just remember, if you are an authorized user, that does count as one of your 5 as part of the Chase 524 rule.